Hey Diamonds, this is your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with another video. To our newbies, thank you for stopping by and joining the Diamond family. Go ahead and subscribe and don't forget to click that notification bell so that you are notified as soon as I drop a new video. I am going to be starting some new chapters in my life and I definitely want to keep you guys updated on that. So without further ado, no more rambling, let's go ahead and get into this look. I still felt like I wanted to get the purple bug out of me. So I said, you know what, I'll just go ahead and let me grab my BH Cosmetic palette. It's time to do the Taurus anyway, so let's get that done. And lo and behold, it was purple. So it definitely gives me a little something to look forward to. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching.
I left that nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and Lauder jacket. Dapper, I look fine and my checks define. No wonder why I do.
As usual, I did my eyebrows in shadow base off camera. The items used will be in the description box below. Going in with my Moschino Bare eyeshadow palette, I grabbed that Prairie Flower, the purple, placing it with a large crease blush in and above my crease. Then I went in with my BH Zodiac palette using that dark purple that corresponds with Taurus, putting that in and slightly above my crease. I also went in with a smaller, more fluffier blending brush just to marry that Prairie Flower and that dark purple together. Going back in with that dark purple from the BH Zodiac palette, I placed that on the inner and outer corners of my lid. Then I went back to the palette and grabbed the actual Taurus shadow, which is like, it's kind of like a beigey, purpley, silver color. It's really weird. It's hard to explain, but on the eyeshadow lid itself, once you place it down, it does look silver. So that I'd have a nice gradient effect, I'm going back into that BH Zodiac palette and grabbing that dark purple and just kind of blending the two together so that there's no harsh lines. Off camera, I did go ahead and apply my liner, my falsies. I use the House of Lashes and Sephora and Natalia. For my foundation, I went in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear in 6in2 Truffle. It's kind of not my color, but I'm going to make it work. I really wanted to use that today. For my highlight, I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey and a couple dots of my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. For my contour, I use Black Opal's Cream Stick Foundation in Black Walnut. To set my highlight, I use my Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. To set my contour, I use my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Medium Dark. To bronze, I use my Estee Edit the Barest Bronzer in Medium Deep. For blush, I use my NYX in Desert Rose. Then I'm going to spray my face with my Mario Badescu facial spray in Rose Water. And I'm going to go in with my highlighter. For that, I use my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette And this one is in the Bronze Sands. I love it. I love it. I love it. I can't express that enough. I lined my lips with my OCC Cosmetic lip liner in Black Dahlia. I really don't know why I had to smell it there, but I just wanted to see what the scent was like. For my lipstick, I did go in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and I used actually two colors. I went in with 40 Believer and then 100 Philosopher. I really like these two paired together. Love the combo. Alright, diamonds, and here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial today. And as always, until next time.
Sex on red, leave his balls on blue. Put it on airplane mode so none of those calls come through. Here's a word to my ladies, don't you give these niggas none. Give 'em none. If they can make you richer, they can make you come. I left the